Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth. Now in today's video I'm doing another CurlBox unboxing. This is the unboxing for January. So this is going to be my last CurlBox unboxing that I'm doing. I'll explain more of that later, but let's just open this bad boy up. This is the box. I didn't open it, as you guys can see. So let's start with the unboxing. This part is always quick. Here is the CurlBox. This is the box. I have an idea of what's in it just because I asked Anthony to check my email and he said that there was a hairbrush in it. So, spoiler alert, there's a hairbrush. But let's see what's in it. Okay. So it says right here, Limitless Living. Okay, this is a little brochure that it brings inside. As always, so this is going to be my last CurlBox. So let me show you how it looks. It always comes wrapped in this like pink paper. This pink gift wrap. So then when you open it up, you see it like that. Okay. Okay. So it says Cream of Nature. So is that the, yeah, so the brand is going to be Cream of Nature. So this box is strictly Cream of Nature's products. And okay. Oh, so there's a brush here. So the first thing I have here is this Cream of Nature, the Nature of Beauty. So it looks like a little like detangling brush or some kind of massager. I don't know what this is, but a brush. We have right here the Hydrating Curling Cream. This is how it looks. And then we have here a Curl Repair Leave-In. We have the Curl Quench Foaming Mousse. We have a Essential Treatment Oil for natural hair, repairing oil for moisture and protection. That's how it looks. And then last but not least, always like some kind of edge control, edge tamer. So this right here says it's a 24-hour edge tamer. So that's pretty much all the products I got in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. Let's see how this stuff smells. Let's see how this looks. It smells like very fruity. Do they all have that like fruity scent? Whoops, that was a mousse. I'm dropping everything. Ooh, strong, girl, strong. This does smell like coconut. Smells like coconut for shows. It doesn't smell bad, but it has a very strong coconut scent. It was like very soft. It's not that, it was hard, but it's like easily bendable. My head is itchy. So these are pretty much all the products I got in this month's box. So let's go ahead and do some quick product shots. So now that you guys seen the product shots, this is going to be my last box just because it's really a hit or miss. And this is my 6th CurlBox. So I had it for a good amount of time. So I feel like it's time to retire it. And to be honest, the December box is what killed me. Like, yo, when I got the December box, I'll link it up here, somewhere up here. When I got the December box, I was like, this is a miss for me. This was like an L. So that got me ready to like cancel my CurlBox subscription right then and there. Some products were good, some months were good, but the months that were like losses to me, I was like, no, I'm not paying $25 for products that I don't even care for, products that I don't even like, so I'll use that for something else. But yeah, CurlBox was cool. It was cool, but that's pretty much, I'm done. I'm good. But with this box, if anything caught your attention, let me know, because I really want to film a review on these 2 products right here. This right here is a Curl Quench Foaming Mousse, and this right here is a Hydrating Curling Cream. So I'm excited to try these products out. But if anything else caught your attention, let me know. Maybe I could do a review on the leave-in, maybe not, but just let me know what products caught your attention, so maybe I can give you guys an update on how I feel, or just film a review, or maybe post it on my IG if it's like a mini review. So let me know. But that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.